On 8 September, APHLC organized Sikh Schedule Awareness Program cum Mass Joining Program at Langhan Playground adjacent to Dongkamukam town and the Langhan constituency. The Sixth Schedule Awareness Program cum Mass Joining Program was initiated by the APHLC leaders of Langhan MSC constituency. Right before the event was started, Jai Kathar was given a warm welcome by the people of Langhan constituency despite the scorching heat by making a binal queue throughout the playground. The program was chaired by Litsong Kramsa, leader of APHLC, Langhan constituency. Jai Kathar, president of APHLC, leaders of Central Committee, leaders of Regional Committee, leaders of Women Wings, and several important dignitaries from the party attended the program. In this mass joining program, more than 300 families from BJP, INC, ASDC, and from different political parties left their party and marched with the APHLC. Now let us hear from the president of APHLC what he has to say regarding the mass joining program.
Bang haro ke thong su se na bang ni jo don haro ke thong su se na jo ni jo la pen amonika bini ke tong suri ni da amonik ke tong la hello la pen ni so ke la so ni along la pen la pen mo ni la pen ti ke ni tu ke se su ke ti apoka success do bang ni po also mara pa ni SP police student NYC Last choice officer ni self choice also marathon hunting ni self dapat yang long ang red one.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live.